Oral presentation. English level 2. 1. Introduce myself. 2. Talk about my trip experience in Santa Marta. 3. The weather in Santa Marta. 4. Recommendation if you go to Santa Marta. My name is Ana Giselle Navia. I am 31. Was born in Bolivar. I live in Timbio. I am a student of business administration. I like play basketball. I like eat pasta. I like read books. I like watch TV. Tips for traveling to Santa Marta. The city of the Santa Marta is located to edge of the bay on the sea Caribbean near the Sierra Nevada. The capital of the department Colombia of the Magdalena. It was founded in the years 1525 and it is one of the first cities in Colombia. The city of the Santa Marta is officially tourist, cultural and historical district of the Santa Marta. She has more of 100 beaches. Also is finds the Quinta de San Pedro Alejandrino, a place where died Liberator Simon Bolivar. Santa Marta is the second most important colonial cities of the Caribbean of Colombia. Experience. Last month, I went on holiday to Santa Marta. I stayed there for 4 days and I went with my friends. I liked it because it was cheap. I liked it is because there were a lot of places to visit. For example, the beach of the Rodadero, the beach of the Sierra Nevada de Santa Marta, the aquarium of white beaches, and I night with visited some places of traditional food. Also, I went to Cartagena and I liked it a lot. I came back 2 months ago because I started to study last month. Tips. Tip number 1. You can visit historic places like Quinta de San Pedro Alejandrino, Catedral de Santa Marta, Museo del Oro Tayrona. Tip number 2. You can visit the Tayrona National Park. You can do excursion in the rain forest and horse ride. Tip number 3. You can visit the aquarium. Rodadero is an amazing place. Tip 4. You must see beaches such as Neguaje, Playa Cristal and Concha. Tip number 5. If you go to Taganga, you can do diving and snorkeling. Tip number 6. You might visit the lost city and they take the only way to get there is an arduous 32 miles 6-day hike. Tip number 7. You would trip of the southeast of Santa Marta. There you find coffee plantation and exotic birds. You can hike or ride on the back of the motorbike to Pozo Azul, La Malaca waterfall on the Pillars. Tip number 9. You should make a budget for the travel. Recommendation. It is important that you wear sunglasses, hat, and sun cream. It is recommended that you wear a swimsuit, shorts. It is necessary that you take snacks there. The water in Santa Marta changes a lot during the day. It is really hot in the morning, usually after 10 a.m. in the afternoon, and at night it is warmer again because of the winds coming from the Sierra Nevada. It is possible to withstand high temperatures. What you should do if you planning to go to Santa Marta, you should check prices of the transport and hotels. You should make a list of interesting places. You should make a list of your emergency contact information, your itinerary. You should take along your camera and your materials. It is advised to keep your values in multiple places rather than carrying them on all eye at once.